Hey everyone, this is Matt and Tyler again.
What's up, guys?
Took a break from our Meet the Experts. We will have Dr. Corey Reiser on next week. He's with Functional Health of the Carolinas, so he'll be on next Wednesday, 2:30. And today, with school getting out and summer coming upon us, one a lot of people are doing this summer is taking a vacation. And a lot of people tend to fall off track, or they don't know what to do to stay on track when they're going on vacation. So we're going to kind of hit on that today. I know I have a few trips coming up. I'm going to Wilmington in June for our Clean Eats convention. Then I'll be going to New York in August to watch the best team in baseball, the Yankees, play. And who knows what will go on from there. Are you going anywhere this summer?
Actually, coming up soon, I'm going to the beach beginning of June for a week, and then I'll be going on another trip later on in the summer for 2 weeks to camp, actually, summer camp.
Awesome. You've been going there for a while, right? That's what started your whole
It is, actually. That's where I learned a lot of my stuff at summer camp. So that's a good place to be.
Okay. Awesome. Definitely. So anyone jumping on, don't forget to like and share this. And if you can, comment below where some places you're going to be visiting this summer, and some maybe some tips that you guys use when you're on vacation that maybe we don't touch on that other people can get out of it. So we're going to start off with, you got to be prepared ahead of time. Just like picking out a workout program or doing anything like that, you want to make sure that, you plan ahead. And the light's flickering behind us, so it's a little annoying. Let's switch lights. So turn that light off. We're going to set the mood. So there you go. There you go. So with it, with staying prepared. And with staying prepared, it's not just, your food, packing for the trip, and we're going to go over that, but it's, reaching out and researching the local restaurants so you can kind of get an idea of the menu that's going to be around you, or figuring out the grocery stores around you so you can pick up those stacks. But, not just vacation, look at, places to work out, whether it's at your hotel or even on the beach or at local gyms, really just doing anything that, you can stay active.
Yeah. And then like another big thing that you're already probably doing is looking at the weather, because if you're planning on doing stuff like running, it might be raining a couple of days, so you might need to plan for some other different kinds of workouts when you're there. So be prepared for that.
Oh yeah. And if you need any ideas or anything, the body weight or exercises to do with, little to no equipment, send us a comment below or send us an email to bodybybradypt@gmail.com, and we'll be able to send some stuff over to you. We actually have a bunch of workouts in our members only Facebook group that our members get access to. So, with your food, and if you're traveling, you can pack a cooler with snacks, whether it be fruit, veggies, pre-made protein shakes, or hard-boiled eggs. You want to get stuff that are higher in protein sometimes too, because they can keep you fuller. Don't forget your water to keep you hydrated, and other sugar-free drinks. And then items that don't need to be cooled, but can pack a good nutritional value and keep you satiated, or like protein bars, nuts. You can either prepackage your own or go ahead and buy the prepackaged 100-calorie ones, so you're not going over your calories or anything like that. Your protein powder. One thing that we give out to our members here that went Clyde in a month are the blender bottles that have the containers on the bottom, like this right here, so you can store your protein all in one container. So you can look at stuff like that, plastic baggies, stuff like that.
The blender bottle actually makes a protein, a stack that has jars that are like about that long, and it's just jars that you can open. There's like 5 of them in a stack.
Awesome.
For that.
The next thing, we kind of talked about this, is you want to do your research for the grocery store. So you can save money on eating out by, stocking your grocery store, stocking your room with, breakfast items or quick lunch items or snack items. If your room has a microwave, you can pre-portion your meals from the week before, or, pick up your meals from an outside service like Clean Eats and already have them done for you to save some money when you're out there. When you're going out to restaurants, think of smart food swaps. What are some of those food swaps that people can do?
I mean, some of the easiest ones are stuff like grilled or fried. So say you go to a place, you want some chicken, the options are fried or grilled, take grilled every time. It's good for you. Stuff like, salads. A lot of places have like a salad bar. Opt for the salad bar, and you can load up your salad with all kinds of proteins and make a nice salad out of that instead of fried food. But make sure that you're bringing some of your favorite cheat meals in there too. Don't just don't only go on vacation and be super strict on yourself, because vacations are meant to be enjoyed. So make sure that while you're cheating, you're keeping up with that physical activity though. So don't go on vacation and let that slip. So if you let one thing go, make sure you're with the other thing as well.
And you don't have to be working out. It could be hiking, walking, sightseeing, swimming, just stuff that keeps you active. Definitely. Instead of, just chilling out. Do a few active things in the morning. Focus on portion control. Same thing like you would do here for your cheat meals, practice it there. So, you could have your lunch then for tomorrow. If you're going to have a big meal, save your breakfast and lunch. Have a little bit of healthier options for breakfast and lunch if you're going to have a big dinner. And it's vacation, and if you're going to partake in some alcoholic beverages, just watch your mixers. Don't pick the stuff that's full of sugar. Go with soda water, that kind of stuff, so you're not getting the calories in it. Or add, natural fruit like lemon or lime to it, that kind of stuff.
Definitely.
The big thing is don't skip meals either. It leads to less snacking and healthier choices when you do go out to eat, so you're not pigging out on the stuff you see. It will make you make healthier choices.
Vegetables are really easy. Stuff like prepackaged carrots, little bits like celery, that kind of stuff. It's easy just to keep up with that.
Definitely. Another big thing is staying hydrated. We always tell our clients to shoot for half your body weight in water every day. Obviously more if you are doing any workouts or if you're doing a lot of walking or a lot of physical activity while you're, you want to stay up with your hydration. It's going to help with cravings, and just you want to stay on top of that. Because usually when you try to catch up to it, it's too late once you get dehydrated. You want to get ahead of the game.
You can't catch back up.
And the final thing is really just, keep energy balances in mind. And what we mean by that is, do activities that burn calories. Try to do something active every day, whether it's play with your kids at the pool, walk the beach, do the little things, take the stairs at your hotel. If you're flying, walk it. Don't get on the little escalator ramps that take you down. Walk. If you're within distance to sightseeing or other restaurants, walk instead of cab and Ubering it.
That'll save you money too. I've taken some Ubers and they're expensive, so that'll save you money and it'll give you some exercise.
Most hotels now have a workout area or have some kind of exercise equipment. So, don't be afraid to get on there and do something. If you need some ideas, comment your name below and we'll be sure to send you a message with some, quick workouts you can do with little to no equipment. But at the end of the day, as Tyler touched on earlier, you want to enjoy your vacation. So if things do get a little crazy, enjoy it. Don't stress about it, but just free your mind, recalibrate yourself, and come back motivated and ready to get back on track and, consistent with your nutrition and fitness once you get back in town and back, on a schedule that provides that consistency. So, that's all we have for today on staying fit while on vacation. One thing we want, you guys is, we want your input on what to do next. So we're tossing around ideas of maybe taking you guys through a workout from beginning to end of what it would be like a workout here at Body by Brady. If that's something that interests you, let us know. We can even bring you in and you can experience that firsthand. Or, if you want to see a tour of the studio or something, doing workouts at home, just let us know, comment below. We're going to keep bringing you local experts. We're going to have Charlotte running on here soon. Like I said, we have Corey Reiser, Dr. Tom with Core Physical Therapy will be back on in June. He was actually going to be doing a workshop for our studio members on glute activation and core stabilization. So if you're a member of Body by Brady, be sure to check that out. We'll have our charity workout coming up in June. So we have a lot of exciting things coming out. We're actually going to be at a 5K race. If you want to tell them about that.
That's coming up June 16th. It's the Moonshiner 5K. It's at the Greenway here in Fort Mill, and
it's a night race, right?
It's a night race. Okay. It starts at people are supposed to be there at 6 o'clock, so it's kind of it's through the woods. It's gonna be lit up and it's gonna be safe. So don't worry. But we'll be there at the end of it, tabling. And if you want to come by and say hey, by all means, come by. I'll be there.
We'll probably have an exclusive offer just for people coming from that race.
Definitely.
Probably on our 28-day kickstart, where you get full access to everything here. Sessions with a personal trainer, our Metabolic Madness program, our community. What I think is what really separates us is the interaction and the accountability groups, and then obviously 10% off meal plans at Clean Eats Fort Mill.
Definitely.
So, thanks for checking us out. If you're just hopping on now, watch the replay. And don't forget, comment with your favorite place to visit, and if you want some at-home workout ideas. We'll talk to everyone later. Have a great day.
See you guys.
Bye.